Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, March 11th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. Across the board, there's no homework in math. However, we can go through and finish our Chapter 8 review. That is something that I highly recommend, as you will help prepare you for tomorrow's math test. In science, there is no homework. However, if you were absent, hopefully you completed all labs during Warrior Time by today. In social studies, we need to finish Atlas page number 29 if needed. That is a paper with our atlas that is both front and back. In language arts, we need to finish our Courage essay. Also, with ordering our yearbook, number 12652 is our special number for OMS if needed. In literature, there is no homework. And also just a note from Mrs. Music here about the CNL class of utilizing our Warrior Time today to finish our Ohio Means Job Start. Remember, we are into the fourth quarter in terms of accelerated reader. You'll have 9 weeks to complete that, so please do not slack off, as the goals will be much higher now than they've been all year. Also, this Friday, 2 days from now, is the last day of the third quarter across the board. Please make sure that you tie up any loose ends and submit any homework passes that you've unused to teachers, as well as hopefully anything that you have not yet turned in. That is going to be it for this Wednesday. Everybody take care and have a good one.